Imagine a massive construction site. But there are no people, no workers, no noise, no human errors. Just robots, building houses faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than ever before. Sounds like science fiction. Well, this future is already here. Today, robots are printing houses, laying bricks, and even assembling entire buildings without human labor. In this video, we'll explore the most advanced construction robots that are changing the industry. And at the end, we'll discuss, will robots completely replace human workers? Let's dive in. "3D printed houses." What if you could print a house just like you print a document? Believe it or not, it's already happening. 3D printers are revolutionizing construction by printing homes layer by layer using a special concrete mixture. These robotic printers can build walls in just a few hours. For example, the American company Icon is using giant 3D printers to build homes for the homeless. They even have a project to print houses on Mars. Their Vulcan printer can construct walls up to 3.5 meters high in a single day. In Russia, a company called Apis Core 3D printed an entire house in just 24 hours. And in Dubai, they've already built the world's largest office using a 3D printer. Besides speed, 3D printing is also cheaper, up to 50% less than traditional construction. Imagine a future where you order a house like ordering a pizza. In just a few days, it's ready to move in. Robot bricklayers. Laying bricks is one of the oldest and most time-consuming construction tasks. But what if a robot could do it faster and more precisely? Well, it already can. The Australian robot Hadrian X lays up to 1,000 bricks per hour. It uses laser guidance to place bricks perfectly without mistakes. A skilled human bricklayer, by comparison, lays about 500 bricks per day. Another robot, the SAM-100, developed in the US, works alongside humans. It lays bricks while workers supervise, making construction up to 4 times faster. These machines are making construction cheaper and faster, but can they completely replace human bricklayers? Not yet. For now, people still play a key role in quality control, but in the next 10 years, who knows? Rebar and concrete robots. But let's go even further. Construction isn't just about walls, it's also about the steel framework that holds everything together. And yes, robots are taking over this job too. For example, the American robot TieBot can tie rebar twice as fast as human workers. It scans the construction site and automatically secures steel rods, making bridges and skyscrapers much faster to build. In Japan, autonomous robots are already pouring and leveling concrete without human assistance. These technologies are making construction safer and more precise. With every year, more and more construction tasks are becoming automated. But can an entire building be constructed without any human workers? Let's take a look at what's next. Drone construction. Now imagine if houses were built by flying robots. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, but research in this area is already happening. Swiss scientists have developed drones that can build rope bridges by weaving cables in midair. These drones could eventually work with bricks, concrete, and even metal structures. In the future, construction drones might replace cranes, lifting materials, and assembling buildings with high precision. And what if one day, entire construction sites were controlled by artificial intelligence? Fully autonomous construction sites. That's exactly what researchers in China and Japan are working on. Imagine a massive construction site with zero human workers, only autonomous machines, drones, and AI-controlled cranes. China is already testing robotic construction factories, where houses are built with zero human labor. Robots manufacture prefabricated modules, and AI-powered machines assemble them on site. Meanwhile, the Japanese company Shimizu Corporation is developing fully automated skyscraper construction technology. 20 years ago, 3D printed houses seemed impossible, but today they're a reality. So, what's next? A world where every building is made by machines. Technology is changing everything, from the way we work to the way we build. Robots are already printing houses, laying bricks and assembling structures without human labor. But will they completely replace construction workers? Or will people always play a role in the process? What do you think? Can robots fully take over construction? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing technology content.